Buongiorno!
Come stai?
Yeah, it's all good.
Here we are.
Here we are. Where are we?
We are.
Mile 418.
Yes.
Furnace Creek.
Yes.
So, yeah, I'm feeling pretty crummy, but smelling the barn. So, you know, that's not that bad.
Does the barn smell like hay?
The barn smells like a finish line. That's all the barn smells like right now.
What's one of the first things you're going to do when you cross the finish line?
Take a picture and then go to bed.
Okay.
Plain and simple.
Sounds good.
So, yeah.
Any words of wisdom for anybody who would undertake this endeavor?
Well, be careful what you wish for.
You just might get it.
You just might be accepted into the race and have to do it. And then you're in for trouble. It hurt pretty badly, I gotta say. Knees, my back is really probably the worst.
Okay.
But, you know, at the end of the day, when I finish, because I will finish, you know, Death Valley Cup. That's what I came here to do, and that's what I'm going to do. So, but the other thing that I would say would be words of wisdom to anyone going to do Furnace Creek 508 is bring lots of climbing gears. These hills are brutal. They don't end. Just when you think you're done climbing, you have more, and then more, and more. So, if you're not a good climber, learn how to become a good climber, or don't come here. And the other thing is, wear clean underwear, because you never know when you have to go to the hospital. That's what my mom always said. Other than that, take 2 aspirin and call me in the morning.
Okay, good luck. Have fun, keep smiling.